YouTubers, this is Old John. You may have trouble hearing me because of the mowing going on here in October 5th when it's 75 degrees, very unusual. Here's a repair. This is a supplement to the door frame repair that I did that was wider. This is more of a conventional repair. In the video which is ahead of this video, this is kind of part 2 to it. I replaced this piece also. This has to be repainted, and we'll do that now that I've made the repair. But in this case, I just replaced the 2-inch piece, and I used treated lumber. And then, just like in the previous video, I used PVC for the brick molding. So, and this is on the back side of my house. It leads out to a deck. It's on the east side, and for some reason door jambs on the east side of my house have problems. The first one I did was on the east side of my garage. So I cut the brick molding and the 2-inch trim piece using an oscillating blade and cut it, and then just simply cut the pieces and caulked behind them, and then drilled holes for the headless nails. I put some soap on the nails so that you're less likely to crack the wood, and I lined these 2 nails up off of center a little bit so it wouldn't tend to crack the board also. So I'll leave a link to the video that preceded this if you want to see more of the detail of how I did it. Then I caulked, of course, everywhere with a caulking, and make sure this caulking is compatible with PVC, because this is a PVC brick molding. Okay, try to ignore the wind and the motorcycle sounds you hear in the background. It's a nice warm sunny day here and people are out and about. But here's the finished door frame repair. My wife has stained it with a dark brown stain, and you can clearly see where it's not been repaired, and this is still solid, but we decided to leave this. So here's where I've put in the new piece, left this because this is still solid, and then put on this piece here of brick molding. This could be tightened up a little bit, but that's essentially it. Not a perfect job, but I think it'll be functional. And there again, the molding is a PVC, so it shouldn't rot. And then this piece is treated wood, so it should be less likely to rot also.